Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on HP 255. First of all, we have to make sure that our computer is connected to the stable Wi-Fi network, or you are using the Ethernet cable that provides you an active internet connection. Then you're going to have to open the Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser we have on our computer. Let's open a new tab and let's open Google search engine by simply entering google.com into the web address field. Then let's search for Chrome and open the first link, which is google.com/Chrome. Here you'll find this download Chrome button, which you have to click on. Then wait until the Chrome setup is downloaded. Open this file. At this point, you can already close your Microsoft Edge. Click yes, and wait until the browser is downloaded and installed automatically. Once the browser is installed, we can choose either to sign in using our Google account or stay signed out, and then choose whether we want to use Chrome browser as a default one. And from now on, you can start using your brand new Google Chrome web browser. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.